I did not want to make this video. These videos are so corny, I hate making them. It's like the last kind of video that I want to make. I sat back and thought, you know what, this could be very helpful for you guys to understand the reality with no BS, unfiltered, what I do for work to afford cars like a G80, a ZL1, a built M340i in my 20s. So before we hop in the video, guys, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, turn on post noties, especially if you guys enjoy content like this, because this is not a video that I like making. And by no means is this video gonna be a flex whatsoever. If anything, it's the opposite. This video is to help you guys where you're at. You can get some perspective from this. To be honest, I am not satisfied where I'm at in my life financially. I have a lot of things that I want to accomplish. I feel very behind for my age. So this is good for me to reflect on, and I think this will be interesting for me to watch, I don't know, a year from now, it being March 18th of 2026. So fellas, here we go. Strap on that seatbelt, sit back and get ready. What do I do for work? Fellas, you're not gonna believe this. The irony of this is just unreal. Before I tell you real quick, pause the video right now. I want you to go comment down below what you think I do for work. A lot of you guys are not gonna believe this and you're gonna be like, what? That makes no sense. Like, oh, I should have known. Fellas, my main job, what I do that I spend most of my time, basically my 9 to 5, my W-2 job is, drum roll, dun dun dun, BMW. Fellas, that's right. I work for BMW. I am employed by BMW. And you're probably mind blown right now. You're like, what the heck? You've worked for BMW this entire time and you never told us? What are you thinking? That is right. I am in sales at BMW. I'm at a top 15 dealership in the US. Our BMW group just got awarded CEL, or the Center of Excellence Award. So it is a very prestigious, very well-regarded BMW location. I'm proud to say that I work for the brand. I absolutely love BMW. I love the product. I believe in the product. I'm very passionate about it. If you guys haven't been following Consumer Reports recently or any of the other polls, BMW is crushing it right now. Even though it is a highline brand, highline luxury brand, the volume that BMW does is almost on the same level as places like Toyota. So the brand is doing very well right now. So you must think, if the brand is doing very well, then myself being in sales, it's been so far a very lucrative career for me. I don't want to get in the weeds with my actual income, but let me just say that I've made anywhere from 20 grand a month all the way down to 7 grand a month. It really just depends on the time, the economy, how people are feeling, the products, our inventory. I mean, just to put it into perspective, there are certain guys there that have a huge book of business, have repeat referral clients, are just very good at sales in general, that clear close to 50K a month on certain months. We had a sales guy sell 400 cars in a year. Just do the math on that. It's insane that there's that much potential being in sales at a place like BMW. Obviously, I'm pretty decent at sales. I'd say I'm a good closer, but I still have a lot to learn. But I'd say on average, consistently, I'll clear anywhere from 12 to 15 grand a month. And I will say, if you guys are in the Arizona area, not even the Arizona area, just across the country, definitely go hit me up on Instagram. My link is down below. DM me on there. I'd love to connect with you guys. I actually ran into one of my subscribers at the coffee machine at my location. As I'm getting my latte, I hear, Will? I look over and I'm thinking I'm in trouble, like it's a client or something, and it was one of my subscribers who was in getting his M3 service, and he actually watched the videos, he's connected on the channel, and I was just mind blown. And he was mind blown as well. It was the last thing he expected was to see myself at the coffee machine. So looping this back to the title of the video, how do I comfortably afford a car like a ZL1? Well, just to put it into perspective, I have a 5% interest rate on that car and my monthly payment is about $1,100 a month. I'm consistently making 12 to 15 grand from my W-2 alone. I'm not really worried about that car payment. I feel like I am in a position to afford a car like that. Technically, I could pay down the car a lot quicker, but I choose to allocate more of my money to my investments, whether it be my 401k, I have a brokerage account, which I try to put a very, very large amount of my sums into. And on top of that, my job at BMW is not my only income stream. I actually, for the last 4 years, have been doing Turo, which if you guys don't know about Turo, it's essentially Airbnb for cars. I've been doing Turo now for almost 4 years, and I have 3 cars on Turo right now. I'm making anywhere from 3 to 5K a month. Turo was essentially just a side hustle I used to do, but it actually ended up being a pretty good income stream. I don't want to dive too much in these things because that's not really what this video is about. I wanted to make this video quick and simple just to give you an idea of where I'm at in my life. So if you guys do the math, If I make consistently 12 to 15K a month on average from my W2 at BMW, plus the 3 to 5K a month from my Turo, you're looking at anywhere from 15 to 20 grand is pretty much what I'm pulling in income consistently in terms of gross. Yes, in my 20s, that is very solid income, but like I said earlier, I'm not satisfied with that at all. I have other plans to explore some other ventures. I've been looking into SaaS or SaaS systems. AI has a lot of potential, and I really want to find out how to use that to my benefit. Any automation, having a passive stream of income through the internet has always been something I've wanted to achieve. Now I'm finally motivated enough to explore those avenues. Even my YouTube doesn't really pay me. I make like maybe $200 to $300 a month on YouTube, which helps a little bit with paying down my car note. Obviously, we're nowhere near having passive income off YouTube yet, but it's a goal, and we can get there, guys. That's why you gotta like and subscribe. And I will say as well, technically you can afford any of these cars, even if you're making 5 grand a month. That's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you where I'm at to where I feel comfortable buying these cars. That's what I'm saying. I feel comfortable. You could technically live at your parents and have no expenses whatsoever, make $2,000 a month and afford a car like this. But that's not the point of this video. This video is simply to give you perspective of where I'm at, obviously sharing with you guys my career choices, the things that I'm looking forward to, the things that I'm looking into. Just like I shared, I work at W2, I do Turo, I have a little bit of YouTube revenue, which I wouldn't even count. I have a goal of looking in to do some more internet ventures, and I do a lot of investing through my brokerage account and my 401k. Financially, I'd say I'm in a decent spot, but obviously I'm hungry, I want more. I think that there's an overwhelming sense of profound purpose being a young male in today's society, and you really want to feel like you've built something. So if anything, the income is not what is satisfying me. It's the idea of success through building something that brings people value and purpose. And that's really why I want to venture in more to these internet passive income side of things, where I can actually bring businesses value to help out their businesses. And I don't want to go too much on a tangent, so fellas, I think I should wrap the video up there. Definitely comment down below. Like I said, I'd love to hear what you guys do and where you're at right now in your life. Once again, I don't like making videos like this. This video is not to flex whatsoever. That is why I'm being very monotone right now, and I'm not really being theatrical like I usually am in my YouTube videos. So this video is a completely different approach. Just know that anybody can achieve this. There's nothing special about myself. A lot of this is just mindset, getting uncomfortable. That's the biggest thing. It's just throwing yourself in the fire, getting uncomfortable, failing, learning, failing. That's all it is. And any of you guys can get in a position where you can buy cars like this. And it doesn't even have to be cars. It could be real estate. It could be other things. It's just, it's limitless. So fellas, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe again. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I know this is a more off-topic video, but I do appreciate the support nonetheless. And then remember, definitely hit me up about BMW, guys. I am in this Phoenix, Scottsdale metro area. I'd love to work with you guys. And yeah, we can have a fun time. It'd be a fun time. Much love once again, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.